Welcome to part 2 of our Annatto Oil special. This time we're going to be making Bopis. Bopis is usually made with cow's heart and lungs, but unfortunately lungs are illegal in California. I'm not sure about other states, but in California it's not allowed. So in this Bopis we're going to be actually using chicken. We're going to be using chicken gizzards and chicken hearts. Bopis is one of those dishes that even the Filipino American chefs are afraid of trying because it's not only a lot of work, because there's a lot of chopping involved, but if you don't do it right the first time, there's no way of fixing it, because you have to make sure you remove the smell. You remove the organy smell of the heart and the gizzard. So if you don't do it right, nobody's gonna eat it. So all right, let me show you how it's made and let's get started.
I have about 5 pounds of chicken gizzards here. Wash them thoroughly until the water is clean and no more blood. If you see any of the yellow layer, just peel and discard them. Then we're adding 1 cup of coconut vinegar. This will remove any unpleasant smell from your gizzards. The fastest way to tenderize the gizzards is by using a pressure cooker. It's okay if you don't have one. Just boil them for 45 minutes to 1 hour until it's tender. Set your pressure cooker to 15 minutes. Now let's wash the chicken hearts. This is around 3 pounds. We're going to be doing the same thing. Wash them thoroughly until the water is clear. We're also adding 1 cup of coconut vinegar. We're gonna let it marinate for 1 to 2 hours to completely remove any unpleasant smell before boiling.
Alright, we're gonna boil our chicken hearts. This one I marinated for about a couple of hours. So just to remove that organy smell. So we're gonna boil it. This one doesn't take long to boil. It doesn't take long to boil, probably half an hour compared to the gizzards. That's why we use a pressure cooker for the gizzard. This is probably only going to take half an hour. That's why we separated boiling this one. All right, we're going to come back when this is done. We're going to chop them up into small pieces and then we're going to start our Bopis, okay? First thing we're going to need to do is put our Annatto oil in there. We're going to need a lot. If you want to learn how to make the Annatto oil, then you're going to have to watch the first episode. And then we're going to put our garlic. Our onion, and our ginger. Gonna add our red chili peppers. And then we're gonna add our chicken gizzards and hearts. I already chopped them into, diced them into small pieces like this. We're gonna add our bay leaves and ground black pepper. And mix it. I'm going to add 1 cup of vinegar. Then we're not going to mix it for a couple of minutes. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. And 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Now we can mix. All right. Now we're going to add 2 cups of water. All right. Put my heat to medium. And then we're going to cover it. Just let it cook for a few minutes. All right, let's take a look at our chicken bopis. Looking good. Now we can add our veggies. Let's start with our carrots. We can add our radish, labanos in Tagalog. Looking good. Now we can add our red and green bell peppers. Looks gorgeous. Look at all the colors. Let's check on our Bopis. I actually tasted it earlier and I think it's gonna need more vinegar, so I'm gonna add another half a cup of vinegar. It's not sour enough for me. It's spicy already, but it needs more vinegar and probably 2 more tablespoons of fish sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Add more flavor. So the gizzards, I bought about 5 tubs of gizzard, and that's about 1 pound per tub. So total was 5 pounds, and the hearts was 3 pounds. After boiling them and chopping them, of course, they will shrink. So this is like half of what I boiled. So 5 pounds turned out to be 2.5, and the 3 pounds was 1.5 pounds. All right, let's go check our chicken Bopis. Oh man, this is done. This is perfect. The color is just perfect. Some like it really, really red, but I think this is good enough. So if you like yours to be more red than this, you can just add more of the annatto oil. This is ready. Where's my rice? Came prepared again. I got my rice. Oh, actually, let me turn off the heat first. All right. Put some these Bopis. I'm gonna try it. One more time. The sourness is just right. The spiciness is just perfectly medium. And there's no trace of that organy smell. It's so good. One more time. Thanks for joining me this week, and we'll see you again next time. Bye now.